Sri Narayana Guru, a young man from a small village in Kerala, India, was deeply moved by the teachings of Narayana Guru, a spiritual and social reformer who advocated for equality and justice for all. Sree found himself drawn to the Guru's message of compassion, selflessness, and the importance of uplifting the downtrodden. Inspired by the Guru's ideals, Sree decided to dedicate his life to bringing about positive change in his community. He began by organizing gatherings and discussions to spread the Guru's teachings, emphasizing the importance of education, self-reliance, and breaking down social barriers. Sree's efforts were not met without resistance. Many in the village were resistant to change, clinging to old traditions and prejudices. Sree faced opposition from those who felt threatened by his ideas, and he was often ridiculed and ostracized. But Sree remained undeterred. He continued to work tirelessly, organizing schools and vocational training programs for the underprivileged, and advocating for equal rights for women and lower castes. He also established a community center that served as a hub for social gatherings, education, and cultural events. Over time, Sree's efforts began to bear fruit. More and more people in the village came to embrace the Guru's teachings, and the community began to transform. Education levels rose, social barriers were broken down, and a sense of unity and empowerment began to permeate the village. Sree's dedication and perseverance inspired others, and his work spread beyond his own village, reaching out to neighboring communities and influencing the lives of countless people. He became a beacon of hope and a symbol of the power of social reform. Sree's story is a testament to the transformative power of one individual's commitment to social justice. His unwavering belief in the Guru's teachings and his unwavering determination in the face of adversity ultimately led to a more just and equitable society for all.